If you have a pet, stop scrolling. I'm Melissa and I create the most stylish, yet durable pet products for your furry friend. Tag 4 MyPet offers laser engraved slide-on tags that offer a jingle-free experience. You simply slide it on your pet's collar. We have multiple sizes available so it fits on your cat or dog, no matter the size. The tag slides securely onto your pet's collar, preventing it from falling off during play or outdoor activities. It's super easy to maintain and can be cleaned with minimal effort to keep it looking pristine. But we also provide detailed cleaning instructions on our website. We offer fast and free shipping on all pet tags. Order now for more outdoor adventures with a tag that's made with love.